Hi everyone, thank you so much for having me here. You look like a really fun bunch. I love the energy in the room that's already here. So I'm just going to build on that. I used to be a lawyer. Almost 5 years ago, I was working 16 hours per day and not taking care of myself at all. I had some major neurological issues that were then diagnosed as mini strokes. So I did change my lifestyle significantly and looked into what I was missing so that I would have avoided what happened to me. All of the techniques are designed to use neuroscience and the knowledge of what your brain does and how your body functions so that you can affect the chemistry of your body and just instantly change your mood. We can really do that without chemicals, without alcohol, without drugs, without any of those things. Okay, you can do that yourself. And today I'm going to show you a few ways to do that. That big change happens with micro steps and micro moments. So it taught me to no longer beat myself up for only doing one thing. I did my best, and that one thing was huge. And then one thing became two things, it became three, it became four, it became five. So think about the little things that you're already doing and celebrate those and then find positivity with it. I want to talk today about super breath. So breathing is really important. We all know that. We have lungs, and our lungs actually start here at our clavicle. They go all the way down to the bottom of our rib cage, and they actually expand a whole width. So the entire width of our body. It's a really big organ. And without oxygen, our brain doesn't function, our body doesn't function, nothing moves in the body and nothing gets pushed around. So your whole body doesn't get the food that it needs, the energy that it needs, right? Today I want to show you a breathing exercise that has several purposes. And the first one is when we are stressed, it's like you're running away from something. So the breathing will be focused on your top lung. You'll be like, or you'll stop breathing altogether. What that does is brain hypoxia, which is low oxygen level to your organs and your brain. If there's low oxygen levels to your body, you can't function properly. Remember to breathe. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how exactly and how to really use your lungs, and this will help you when you exercise, but also to fall asleep, to be more productive, to make decisions. So once you go back to the office, or if you're already back at the office, depending on where you are in the world, just pay attention to yourself, but also your colleagues, and see, it's like, oh, are they lacking oxygen? Today with Super Breath, I'm going to reconnect you to your lungs and the capacity to really take in all the oxygen. And we're going to feed your brain to increase your well-being. So what I want you to focus on in the exercise is on every exhale, all these contact points, can you melt them like ice cream? So it's like imagining yourself melting like ice cream on every exhale. I'm going to ask you to all move backwards a little bit away from your computer. And I want you to bring your bum cheeks, like the edge of your bum cheeks, to the edge of the chair. If you look down, your legs are out in a V, so they're not here, they're like out in a V shape. And if you look down, you should be able to see your feet. So you want your feet to be in front of your knees. Your back is completely straight. It is effortless. And we're engaging our core, we're engaging our back muscles, our necks are relaxed. And we're just sitting here doing a very subtle workout. Because you tend to slouch when you're at your desk. We tend to do this because we're all on our laptops these days. So if you're sitting like this, it's really difficult to bend forward. I'm seeing some of you try. Great. I would like you to start thinking about, like, how am I sitting? Because this is a great place to type from. And it'll save your back, it'll save your neck, it'll avoid disc hernias. The people that I work with say that this just sitting in this position has removed their backaches. So if you have any back issues, like, this is really great, and it will enhance however you work out and whatever you do for yourself. So Super Breath has 4 parts, right? So the first one is belly breathing. The second one is rib cage breathing. Fourth one is upper chest breathing, and last one is back chest breathing. And we're going to add a layer, which is our hands. Our hands are very, very healing to us. Our own touch is the most healing touch that we can have, not some masseuse, not our partners, not our children, ours. So first, I'm going to ask you to put your hands in this shape, like a diamond almost. We're going to put it on our stomachs, just like that picture, and your navel will be in the center of your fingers. Put your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Having your tongue to the roof of the mouth will help you stop snoring, will help you improve your quality of sleep, and it will allow to get more air into the airway, because if the tongue is in the way, less air comes in. So tongue up. You can close your eyes to feel more or just keep watching me. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my tongue out, inhale through my nose, and expand my stomach like a balloon. And I'm going to exhale through my nose and press my belly button towards my spine. So just imagine pulling it. So you're going to inhale, expand the stomach like a balloon. Exhale, send your belly button towards your spine. So you're making sort of a massaging movement towards our organs. Inhale, expand the stomach like a balloon. Exhale, belly button to spine. That's the first one. Next one, we take our right hand to our left rib cage and our left hand to our right rib cage. And here we're going to send the breath to where our hands are. So your hands indicate where you send your breath. And for this one, I want you to be very, very gentle. So we're going to inhale, send the air into your hands very gently. Exhale, let everything go. Inhale into your hands. Exhale and let go. One more. Inhale into your hands. And exhale, let go. Next one is upper chest. So we're going to inhale and send our breath to your hands. Exhale, let go. This one's really simple. Let's try the last one. So hands however you can on your back. And you're going to inhale and send your air to your back. Exhale, let everything go. Okay, so I'm going to now walk you through a 5-minute exercise just doing this and then see how you feel. So your legs are out in a V and you should see your feet if you look down. Hands in a diamond shape, hands on your stomach, and we're going to do 6 rounds of each. So first round, inhale into your stomach. Exhale, send your belly button towards your spine. Tongue is up to the roof of your mouth. You inhale through the nose, expanding the stomach slowly. Exhale through the mouth, belly button to spine. Inhale, expand the stomach. Just as you're comfortable, there's no need to push too hard. Exhale, send the belly button towards the spine. Beautiful. Inhale and expand your stomach. Exhale, belly button to spine. Inhale, expand. Exhale, belly button to spine. Nice. Last one. Inhale and expand. Exhale, belly button towards the spine. Keeping your eyes closed. Left hand on the right rib cage and right hand on the left rib cage. Roll your shoulders down the back once. Make sure your neck is relaxed. And inhale into your rib cage very slightly. Exhale, open mouth, sigh, let everything go. Inhale and feel your ribcage expand into your hands. Exhale, let everything go. Inhale, expand. Exhale, let go. Now very slowly inhale. Slow motion inhale. Feel your body expand. Slow motion exhale. Feel it all fall down. Last one. Inhale, expand. Exhale, let everything go. Stay here for a moment. Notice if you have any thoughts or if your mind is clear. Either is fine. Release your hands and place them on your chest. You can keep your eyes closed. 5 rounds here. Inhale into your upper chest very slowly and gently. Exhale, let everything go. Inhale into your upper chest. Exhale, let everything go. You want to sigh, really sigh when you exhale. Inhale, expand. Exhale and sigh. Last one. Inhale, expand. Exhale and sigh. Very nice. Hands on your back. 5 rounds. Inhale and do the best you can. Send your air towards your shoulders and your back. The whole back of your body. Exhale, let everything go. When you exhale, really feel your shoulders drop. Inhale into your back body. Exhale, let go. Inhale into the back body. Exhale, let go. 2 more. Inhale into the back body. Exhale, let everything go. Last one. Inhale into the back body. Exhale, let everything go. Keep your eyes closed. Drop your hands to your lap. And now just observe your natural breath. Just see how much air comes into your lungs and how much air leaves. Now that you're very aware of your body, we're all going to hum together once to close this practice. We're just going to inhale and do a very long hum. Slow, gentle breath in. Hum. Now inhale and hold your breath. Just hold once and see. Feel your lungs, feel that hold. Feel the size of them, the width. Open mouth, exhale, sigh. Pay attention to your feet and your hands and how they're touching, whatever they're touching. Pay attention to the taste in your mouth, the sounds that you hear, and the feel of the wind, the AC, or the temperature on your skin. I would like you to smile from the inside out. Just remember something that really makes you smile and naturally smile. Remember that we can change the chemistry of our brain and our entire body just like this. And smiling, real smile, really, really helps with that and releases all the right hormones. Prepare to blink your eyes back open, flutter your eyes open, and again, look at the room around you. Maybe you notice anything new. Look at the colors, the shapes, the textures. Look at your view if you have one. And just notice how you feel and how your mind is in this very moment. Is it still busy with thoughts? Are you relaxed or are you still jittery? Are you the same as before or different? Every time we practice this, we're very different. Our bodies are different. So this is like an internal lung exercise. So we're stretching and we're making your lungs stretch so that you have more space, so that you get more oxygen into your brain. It increases your capacity to take in information, to sleep, to perform physically, mentally, professionally. Here are the benefits of why oxygen is important, again, for you. It does reduce stress and anxiety. And most importantly, especially in times like COVID, it strengthens your immune system. We just did 5 minutes. I'm going to send you something that's 18 minutes long, but you can redo it anytime. It's super easy. And all you need to do is to touch yourself. And you can really feel like, I can see some of your faces, you're softer. Speaking and expressing yourself from a soft place is a really nice place to be. So if I could have a click onto the next slide. Remember to pause and breathe. Close your eyes, use your hands Thank you so much for having me today.